What up, everybody? It's your boy, Skinny Penis. So we got this. Don't know if it's fake, if it's fake or not. I got it from Walgreens, but we're gonna open it either way. So let's do it. Just gonna set it up like this. Why not? Let's friggin' open it. Let's see what's it called. Have a lightning blast with Pikachu V, full of electrifying spirit. Pikachu V enters the battlefield with the tenacity to take on even the mightiest of Pokemon. This determined Pokemon V is ready to join your deck as foil promo card. And spooky little Mimikyu offers backup with a foil card of its own. You'll also find an oversized version of Pikachu V, plus even more cards in Pokemon TCG Booster Pack. Alright. Well, let's do it. Like I said, I don't know if this is fake or not. It very well may be, but we're gonna open it either way. And I haven't done one of these in a while, so let's do it. I was actually, excuse me, I was actually very surprised when I went to Walgreens and I found Pokemon packs. I haven't seen Pokemon packs in like Walgreens in a long time, forever. It's been a while. I could hold my head up. It's been a while. Alright. Let's get this off right here. Let's get these out. So we're gonna put this right there. Alright. Alrighty then, dude. So here's the Pikachu, excuse me, Pikachu V. It's pretty cool art, right? If I do say so myself. And then here's the Mimikyu. It's pretty sick, I think. We'll put those right here. Right here. And then here's the big old card, big old Pikachu V card. The big ass one. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. Then we got this right here. You guys want that? All right. Put that away. So here's what the packs look like. There's one right there. Fusion Strike, Sword and Shield. Sword and Shield, Brilliant Stars. Sword and Shield, another Fusion Strike. Can't fucking talk. And another Sword and Shield, Brilliant Stars. Pretty cool art pack. Pretty cool pack art. Art pack. I don't remember how to open these. I'm bad at this. If you didn't remember from last time, I'm very fucking bad at this. Worst comes to worst, I'm just gonna get some scissors, man. Let me get some fucking scissors, dog. All right, we got it. So there's that. All right, put it over there. 3, 4, yeah, it's 4. All right, cool. So we got a Fire Energy. We got a, hold on, kind of rearrange these. All right, we got a Zoroark. Never seen that Pokemon before. That's pretty cool. That's pretty freaking sick, dog. Is he gonna focus or not? There we go. All right. And then we got a Simipour. That's what he looks like. Good old Simipour. Haven't seen this one either. It's a cool looking one. Kind of looks like a lion with a wig and a dress on. That's kind of what that looks like. Then we got a Metapod. I've seen Metapod before. Good old Metapod. And then we got Shroomish. Good old Shroomish. And then we got Klefki. Klefki. And then we got a Trubbish. Motherfucking Trubbish, dog. And then we got, what else? Ooh, Totodile. Fucking love Totodile. It's one of my favorites. One of my favorites. And we got a Phantump. It's a cool looking one. There's a lot of them here that I haven't seen before. Then we got an Eldegoss. That's a shiny, I believe. I think, no, it's not shiny. Whatever it is. It's a cool, the shiny thing on the card. And then for the V, we have Rillaboom. That's a pretty cool one. I like that guy. He's fucking sick. Let me turn on some light. Hold on. One second. All right. Yeah, I haven't seen this one before yet either, but he's fucking dope. I like him a lot. All right, since we don't have very much room right now, I'm gonna put them all in a pile. Until we're done, then we'll take a pan of everything. A good old pan. All right, now for the Brilliant Stars pack. Well, the first one. Let's see if I can fucking open it. There we go. Fuck yeah, dude. Hell yeah, bro. All right. Whoa, I hope I didn't spoil that for you. There's that for you. There. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we got a Fighting Energy. Fuck yeah. Oh wait, hold up. My bad, I fucked up. There we go. Just didn't put one of the cards in that pack. And now we have dropping cards everywhere. A Blunder Policy, that's what we fucking got. Fuck your policies. Pachirisu, he's one of my favorites too. We got Marnie Pride. I thought she was in Stardew. And then we got a Golett. That's a pretty cool one. Reminds me of something off of like Zelda, the new one. One of the new ones. We got a Corphish. I thought it said Corpfish for a second. then we got, that one's pretty fucking sick. I like that one. A sock. That's fucking dope. It's a cool art too. Is it focusing for you guys? Yeah. Alright. Now we got a cherubi. Cherubi. And then we got a Clefairy. Clefairy, dude. Fucking nurse Pokemon, dog. Then we got a Deaden. Kind of looks like a small Raichu. I mean, he's pretty cool. And then for our V, never mind, it's just a shiny. It's not a V. We got a Garchomp. Shit. We got a Garchomp. Garchomp's pretty cool too, I think, anyway. There we go. So that's the second pack done. Fucking sick. In it. I think it is very sick. I think it is sick as hell, dude. Sick shit, dog. Alright. Time for another Fusion Strike pack. There's some of them easy to open and some of them aren't. There we go. Alright. Is that for you? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have another fighting energy. And then we got Shauna. Shauna with her wild ass hair. And we got Victini. That's pretty cool. I think that's a cool one. Oh, she has fire. Or it is fire. I don't know if it's girl or boy. Does it say it? No, it doesn't. Whatever it is, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, man. And we got an electric. Motherfucking eel. And then we got a Panpour. Fucking blue monkey, blue-headed monkey. Kind of looks like it has a mushroom tail. That's kind of cool. I like that one. I like monkey Pokemons. I don't know why. I've always liked monkey, but like my favorite Pokemon ever is probably Chimchar and all his evolutions. Because they're fucking dope looking. Skarmory is next. Wait, what does that say? Single strike. I don't know what that means. We got that guy. Then we got a good old Jinx, man. Jinx always freaked me the fuck out. First time I saw her when I was little, like playing a Pokemon game, I was like, what the fuck is that? What the fuck? Like that kid who says that to that fucking, that doll that blinks. What the fuck? We got a Mantine. Then we got a Grubbin. That's a cool art. Good old Grubbin. I see a lot of those on Pokemon Go. Yes, I play Pokemon Go every once in a while. And then we got a Sizzlipede. He's pretty cool too. I fucking hate centipedes though. He's cool though. And then We got a Kangaskhan Khan. He's pretty cool too. Pretty cool. That's gotta be a play on like Genghis Khan, right? Yeah, Kangaskhan Khan. Come on now. Genghis Khan's fucking, he was crazy. He was wild. Crazy. I was crazy once. He put me in a room, a rubber room of rats. And rats made me crazy. Crazy. I was crazy once. They put me in a room, a rubber room of rats. The rats made me crazy. All right, next pack. Yeah, fucking got it. I fucking got it, mate. Son of a bitch. There we go. There's that for you. All right, let's move on. Oh, did you see the card? Hope you didn't. 3, 4. All right, we have plant energy. We got a Floatzel. There's a bunch of those in Pokemon Arceus. Kind of gets annoying. There's a Staravia. There's a bunch of these in Pokemon Arceus as well. And there's a... Hey. Give me that. Give me that. Stop. 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 Alright. Then we got a Choice Belt. Choice Belt. And then we got a Throw. I'm guessing his fighting style is Jiu-Jitsu. And then we got a Cast Form. Pretty cool little ghost dude. He looks like a ghost dude anyway. And then we got a Trapinch. Fucking Trapinch. Then we got a Gibble. I always thought he looked cool too. He's a cool looking dude. He's just a little guy. Cool little guy. Then we got a Buizel. Also abundant in Arceus. And then we got Kinchino. Is that what it's called? Is that how you pronounce that? Kinchino? That's actually kind of cool looking. Can't tell if those are his arms or those just fur. Like this guy. And then last but not least, a Heatran. That's it. That's all the cards. That is all the cards, dude. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. I'm gonna try to do this more often. These weren't that expensive. They were like 24 bucks, which is also why I think they may not be real. But regardless, I like opening them either way, you know. I just said the same thing twice, basically. I like, even if they're not, they may not be real, I still like opening them. I like opening Pokemon packs. They're cool. So I'm gonna try to make this like a monthly thing. But yeah, let me know if you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment, do all that wonderful stuff. I'd appreciate it very, very much. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, night, whatever time you're watching this. We'll see you in the next one. Stay up. Peace.